I'm back at a place informally known as the Crevice. The boats, there's a boat here. I've got other pictures of boats, other videos of photos, but the boats are different every time you come here. And that's partly what makes this place interesting, is you never quite know what it's going to be like. I'm going to use the 65mm lens again, because I'm a 65mm lens kind of guy. What can I say? I'm going to take a picture of this boat here. I ran around with Viewfinder a few moments ago and worked out that this is about the position that gives me something most interesting. There was an angle of it from over there looking here with the sun behind me, and it made me realise how much I like back and side light now, and I just, you know, so I'm over here getting this angle. Okay, let's take a look at that. Be nice if you could see that, wouldn't it? If only there was a way. It's pretty much good enough the way it is. I wouldn't mind a little bit more, well, yeah, wouldn't mind a little bit more room at the bottom here. I can't just lower the lens, as in rise and fall, lower the lens, because that'll get the front bed in the picture, and I want to try and keep the verticals parallel. Got a bit more room down the bottom. I've lowered the camera a bit so I'm not looking so far down into the boat. That isn't necessarily a bad thing. The boat's a bit yucky inside. I've added a little bit of shine flag. You can just see the difference there. So just a little bit of shine flag. So the plane of focus is going along the top of the boat there. So that's the boat that's closest to me. You can see that's in focus. That's in focus. And that's a little bit out. Oh no, that isn't too bad either. So I've basically lowered and even that foreground's pretty much in focus. Let's have a look where my darkest shadow is. Just under the boat there. 7. 9. I'm metering on those, on that tree there. That's 8 there. That's 7 I don't need under there to have detail. So what's that was 8? Move that down to zone 3, 5, 4, 3. I get 1 second f32, 2 seconds f45. Okay, let's make some film happen. 1 second f32. So 65mm. 65mm. 1 sec f32. Okay, the Toyo's got a bail back on it. So it goes like that. Cock the shutter. Test. Beauty.